Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome to another weekly Forex forecast starting on 4th of August. Okay, let's see what's going to happen this week. We already know that August is really slow, okay, for those who have summer, but that doesn't mean anything. In some other countries, it's not summer. So let's start with Aussie CHF. Now on Aussie CHF, we have a very powerful and steep movement. Price does creates nice 1, 2, 3s, and my latest price action says price still wants to go short. I don't have any other history, so I can go to my monthly chart and check for powerful support areas. But again, at this area here, I don't have any other history, so there isn't a higher time frame than monthly, so I have to go and zoom out. And what I have here is the lowest since 1993, I think, way back. So that means somewhere here where I have some previous lows, this is a huge spike, probably due to some news, and probably this is when CHF, when Switzerland says that it's not supporting euro anymore, and that would happen. But anyway, that means we will be expecting some reaction. It doesn't mean it will happen. I have a very powerful trend line here, of course, on my daily chart. What I have also is my support area breaking. This is a steep, powerful, after my crossover movement of like 200 plus pips. This is a good area to try to find some long opportunities. Wait for a reaction. Remember again what I said, we don't have any other prior history. This is the lowest price has ever gone before. So probably this is why now price is thinking about it. Well, it's not the price, but traders. So look for entries to go long, either with some pending orders, with trendline breaks and lower settings entries. It's up to you. Let's go to CHF yen. Here also I have a very powerful support area. You can see that. That's breaking. I already have my retracement. And price still wants to go short. I'm okay with that. I don't mind whatever price, wherever price is going short or long, as long as it moves. And my next area of support is 400 and more than 450 pips. So price is entering a very nice area where my support is quite further away. So again, keep a close eye on a nice retracement after price breaking. Either you can go with a daily and a 4-hour combination, but it does look good. GBP USD, you can see of course now that price is on a major support area. Again, it doesn't matter if it's a little bit higher or a little bit lower. We just want to go through as many touches as possible. And again, now you have the option to bounce trade here, or with a monthly chart see if price has gone before. We know GBP pairs are going down the drain, and again this is the further back I have, like again 1993. So you should also wait here a reaction. You have your trend line, double bottoms, and that means this is a good area to bounce trade. Usually when traders don't have any other history, price starts a little bit to get into a range. Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD continues. Previous support area has broken. Steep movement. You can see my last candle here is really powerful. And again, of course, the only thing missing is my retracement. This is a movement. Price has the room to go almost 300 pips. It looks like it wants to do it. We already had a daily retracement. And of course, again, the only thing missing would be another one. Ideally, what we want is a daily retracement to go short. This is like 360 pips to go, and of course, again, if you focus on a little bit lower settings, you already had an opportunity kind of late. That means if someone took it, you could have gone with lower risk. I know that my previous highs are here and are combined. Very powerful movement, but also kind of a rangy. So what happens is price didn't go all the way to my support area and it still wants to go and retest my resistance. On the other hand, this could be a reaction with a lower high and price continues going down. So that means we will be a little bit extra careful. We already had a powerful combination. Some of you went short and well done for that. But again, what happens here is that we have a daily trend line break. The downside is that we don't have that reaction on a major support area. So if you go to the 4 hour and you try to find an entry, it has already happened. So next best scenario would be another retracement. Euro USD is going short and we've been waiting for that for so many days. So finally we got the retracement, and this was actually a weekly one, and now for sure price is moving. Daily we already had also our confirmation with the crossover, and nothing is telling us that we shouldn't go short. And not only that, we also have a very nice opportunity on the 4 hour and on the 4 hour time frame. Of course, what's going on here is that this 4 hour opportunity is not after a daily 1 2 3, but what I see here is that first of all, 4 hour time frame gets me 36 EMA retracements, and daily 12 EMA is holding. 12 EMA on daily is 4 hour 36 EMA. Plenty of room to go. It's not my first 1 2 3, that means it's going to be late entry, but I have at least 500 pips and I think it's worth my risk. So keep an eye on Euro USD to go short. Another GBP pair, which is on my support monthly chart. Here, on the other hand, it has the room to go a little bit lower. And if it does, that means you will be thinking this area now to bounce trade it. You still have that in mind to bounce trade it here, but don't exclude the option that price might want to go even further down. Traders should continue pushing down because GBP is going down, and this is the area that you should focus in case your support area breaks. Daily, you can see what's going on here. On the daily chart, you have already 1, 2, 3, 4 days price couldn't break your support area, and that means something. Okay, try to find some bounce opportunities or some trend line breaks with lower settings entry to go long. Or you could have in your watch list GBP CAD as a breakout just in case price wants to continue some more. New Zealand dollar CAD, very powerful and big range. Here I have my price action double tops. Price is breaking this. It has done it before anyway, just double checking. And now on lower settings entry, the only thing missing would be just for the price to go a little bit lower to find a retracement. So the 4 hour doesn't retrace nice till the 36 EMA. It would be really nice to get something like that. That means a nice retracement till the 36 EMA to go short 200 and more than 250, 60 pips of a distance. I think New Zealand dollar CAD also is looking good. GBP New Zealand dollar. I have here my previous low. I have my resistance. Next possible support area is already there. Is price going to retrace? I already have kind of a retracement here as a bounce, and in my daily, if you want to wait for a nice trend line to break to go long with a 4 hour entry would be a really good combination. On the other hand, if someone will be thinking of a bounce, it's already a little bit late, but what you see on the 4 hour is a reaction, a higher low, a crossover of the EMAs, and if you can get also a 4 hour retracement, you can easily combine that with M15 to create your win-win scenario within 150 pips of a distance, but your last position will be going for 1000 pips. Don't get intimidated by numbers. Price has done it before. From your support area has covered a distance of 1400 pips. And if you look a little bit further back, from these lows it has traveled 3500 pips. So why not? It's just a number. On Euro CHF on my weekly chart, what do I see? A very powerful short. Previous support and resistance area has broken, and next target would be this area. Combined resistance and support area, and price still press down. I got the retracement. This is my daily chart. I have volatility, and the only thing that would be nice to get, since you already have a lower low, would be a 4 hour retracement to cover the next 160 pips. Now on USD CAD, you have a very powerful trend line break, the crossover of the EMAs, and a 1, 2, 3. Trying to see what happened here, if you draw your line, you will see that this is also a previous support and resistance area. You have, of course, next possible resistance, and what happens now is you have two options. you have a very powerful trend line break, crossover of the EMAs in the 1, 2, 3 to go short. Or if 36 EMA breaks here, you can go for the strategy bounce, price starts moving up. My target is here, and you can see the only thing missing, even in lower settings, would be if you get a 4-hour retracement, even if price breaks a little bit lower on the 36 EMA, to go long for like 60, but last position running, targeting this area. USD yen, it's our last pair. You can see another support area broken. Next possible support area, it's here. Support and resistance on weekly charts are our long-term target. I have the retracement. Here even you see all these days price couldn't go and stay above and then crashed. Okay, this is not one of our favorite movements. Yeah, but if you get a retracement similar to your drop till the 36 EMA, you will gain also some more room and you will get the opportunity to go for 200 pips. Okay, these are the pairs for this week. I hope you enjoyed our video. Have a beautiful week, profitable one, and see you again next time. Bye bye everybody.